This is a drum machine that I have designed, programmed, and you can actually program it. I don't know if the camera will stay still, but those pegs there, you can take them off and put them back on. So you see how they are now? Let's put the camera down while I rearrange them 1 second. So how it works is made out of Knex, and you clip the pins in instead of putting them on. So once you can, it's fairly simple that way of putting them on and off, and it's fairly quick. You know, it's not really quick, but it's alright with speed wise. It's fairly easy, and you can quickly edit it. So it's been edited. I put more pins on these wheels, and now it's different. That's my drum machine.